Okay, so today I'm going to be telling you about the immune system. My name is Amanda Doherty and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so what is the immune system? The immune system is basically to keep you healthy in simpler terms. It does all sorts of things like fight infection and keep out all the yucky stuff like bacteria and foreign material. And it destroys infected cells and removes waste and all that good stuff. Well, you're probably wondering, what are some parts of this so-called immune system? So I'm going to tell you about 5 major parts. 1 is the bone marrow, 2 is the thymus gland, 3 is the spleen, 4 is lymph nodes, and 5 is tonsils. So what's bone marrow? And that's a description of bone marrow right there. It's kind of like a little diagram. Alright, so bone marrow is that it's obviously inside your bone, and it's kind of that soft tissue. It's like in most of the bone cavities. So what does bone marrow do? Bone marrow produces red blood cells. It also produces white blood cells and fights infection. You'll find that most of the things in the immune system fight infection. So the thymus gland. Here's another diagram of the... Alright, so the thymus gland is an organ, and it's kind of right near your collarbones, a little below your collarbones, and it gets bigger as you get older. It gets smaller as you get older. Okay, so what does the thymus gland do? Helps the growth of the immune system and creates specialized white blood cells. And it produces T cells. Those are cells that will also help boost your immune system. So your spleen, and here's another diagram. That thingy that looks like a stomach is the spleen. It's kind of like the same shape. And so the spleen is an abdominal organ that is involved in the production of removal of blood cells, and it forms part of the immune system. So what does the spleen do? The spleen filters blood and produces B and T cells, and it fights infection. Lymph nodes. Here's a picture. This is all the lymph nodes located throughout your body. So lymph nodes are small little masses of tissue, and they're scattered all around your body, and they're pretty much like everywhere because they do a lot to help out all over your body, not just in one specific area. So you're probably wondering what they do. Well, they filter material that is flowing throughout your bloodstream, and it removes different stuff that you don't want in there, like bacteria and stuff. Alright, your tonsils. That's a diagram of your mouth right there. The tonsils are in the back. So the tonsils, they're 2 masses of tissue they're kind of in the back of your throat, and between them is the little hangy ball thingy. Never really knew what that was for. What do tonsils do? They fight infection and prevent throat infection. And those are some major parts of your immune system. Yay. Alright, so what does your immune system do as a whole, like the whole thing all together? It's mostly just general ideas of everything, all the parts. Like, mostly the immune system is to fight infection. Alright, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me right now. And there's a smiley face. Alright, thanks for watching.